Not getting Telegram notifications on your lock screen or having issues with them not working properly? It's easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple solutions to get your Telegram notifications working again on Android devices. Let's dive in. Before you do anything, open Telegram apps. Select the person that you are not receiving notification from. Tap and hold the conversation. Tap sounds icon from the top. Make sure this person is not muted. If muted, then unmute this. If problem persists, try following process on your phone. Solution 1. Tuning in app notification settings. Open Telegram. Tap on the horizontal 3-line button on the top left corner. Tap Settings. Go to Notifications and Sounds. Toggle on all the settings under Notification for Chat section. Scroll down to bottom. Turn on Keep Alive service. And then turn on Background connection. Change the repeat notification option to 10 minutes. Solution 2. Check the default notification settings. Swipe down from the top to open Control Center on your Android device. Make sure your phone is not on a silent mode. Turn on sound mode. Turn off the Do Not Disturb mode if it is enabled. Turn off the power saving mode. After doing this, go to Settings. Open up Notification menu. Tap on App Notification. Find out Telegram. Scroll down a bit. Tap on Lock Screen Notification. Select Show Content. Solution 3. Clearing App Cache. Open Telegram. Tap on the horizontal 3-line button on the top left corner. Tap Settings. Press on Data and Storage menu. Go to Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Cache. After that, scroll down a bit. Change Auto Remove Cached Media settings to 1 day. That's it for today. I hope one of these solutions helped you solve your Telegram notification issues. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more useful videos.